Hey guys! Welcome to our channel. We are going to compare the best of the food grinder on Amazon today. We will cover both strength and weakness, covering aspects of price, capacity, application, grinding coarseness, sound, and cleaning, etc. Here's the list of grinders. Let's try it one by one. First, let's try Model A. The price is $130 or so. It's made of all stainless steel. The series can grind 150-1500 G material at one time. This does a good job with any kind of, dry materials like grains, spices, herbs, coffee beans, with no limit with the material size. It cannot grind oily or wet materials. Larger capacity model can even grind hard materials like bricks or glasses. Let's try the grains. Try to cover the blade. Cover the lid, turn on the grinder. So as you can see, high power motor also makes loud noise. A little hot heat. Let's compare coarseness later. Always grind the material until the coarseness is enough for you. Then pour the flour into containers. The cleaning will be easy. You just take a little brush to clean the grinding capsule, and then you are done. Next is this continuous grinder called Model B. The price points are higher. It's about $280. The outer is made of plastic. For application, it is mainly used to make bread flour. The material size should be limited by the inlet, and cannot grind spices and oily materials because they will get stuck and cause oils to accumulate inside the mill heads. As you turn the motor clockwise, the flour will become coarser, vice versa. Also put some grains. Turn to start. It can do continuously grinding, and also noisy, but better than the first one. If for long time grinding, the flour is also with heat, the flour cannot put back into the top hopper to grind again. For the first grinder, you can complete grinding until it reaches the fineness you want. Well, for cleaning, here's a lock. Switch the lock and pull out the button. You will get these two parts. You can just clean the drawer in the outer part. Inner part cannot be reached. This Model C seems to be more economical in price. It's $30 or so. The grinding part is made of stainless steel, very compact size, so you can put it on your kitchen cabinet. Also portable for outdoor activity. For material, firstly should be dry, and it should not be too hard. People usually purchase this grinder to do coffee, spice, grain powders. Put the grains inside. The noise is smaller than the first two grinder. The power seems to be coarser than the previous one. For cleaning, use the brush to finish cleaning. The last one is Model D manual grinder. It's about $60. The outer is made of iron. It can grind grains, spices, and animal feed except oily or wet materials. Just mount this one to your counter, counterclockwise a screw to make coarser powder, clockwise a screw to make finer powder. For cleaning, it is better not to clean it by water, but with a wet rag, or it will rust the grinder faster. Put the grains into the grinder, just mill it by hand. The powder will not heat, so it will not lose nutrition anyway. It is quite so you can mill the wheat even when your family is sleeping. It can only reach a mixture of fine particles and powder. I mean that is definitely not flour, but this would be wonderful for grinding up things for animal feed and coarse particles. So we now start to compare the 4 grinders. For price, B is most expensive, then is ADC. For grinding coarseness, we can see that A do grind the finest powder, then is BCD. For nutrition, manual one is better than the electric one. For cleaning, mode ADC could be cleaned by brush and wet rag, wipe the machine by dry rag after grinding. B can only clean the outer part, we cannot reach inner part. For application, all can mill dry wheat. Model A can grind harder materials, for 2000 G1 can grind even stone. B can only mill cereals. D can mill grain spices and animal feed into coarse powder. C will mill spices, grains, coffees, but it cannot mill some hard materials like nota ginseng. If you have any question or problem, please leave your comment below, and tell me which one you prefer.